Don't watch this unless you're really ready to destroy your old life. Because once you hear this, you can't unhear it. You can't go back to who you were before. You'll either change everything or regret staying the same. Look, there was a time I thought I was doing fine. A good enough job, a decent life, a routine that felt safe. But deep down, I knew I was stuck. Comfortable, but numb. Busy, but empty. I told myself, it's not that bad, but that was the trap. Because once you start saying that, you start settling. You shrink your dreams just to survive the day. You stop living and start existing. And then one day, I couldn't take it anymore. I looked in the mirror and saw someone who had so much more to give, but was wasting it, wasting me on excuses. That day, I made the scariest decision of my life. I decided to burn it all down. The lies, the fake stability, the version of me that was just trying to be liked, trying to be normal. I destroyed my old life, and it was the best thing I ever did. Was it painful? Yeah, terrifying, absolutely. But freedom never comes cheap. You don't get to stay the same and level up. You either evolve or you repeat. Every day, you're either rebuilding yourself or reinforcing the cage you hate, and no one's coming to break you out. You have to light the match yourself. So if you're still watching, ask yourself this. Are you brave enough to let the old you die? The one who's afraid, the one who waits, the one who says maybe later? Every damn day. Because if you are, then burn the old life, burn the fear, burn the comfort, burn the version of you that's settled, and build the one who fights, the one who chooses, the one who finally lives. This is your moment, not tomorrow, not next year, right now. So don't just watch this, become the reason it was made. Comment, I'm done surviving if this hit you, because the real you was never meant to be average.